Hi, welcome to a simple Microsoft Word tutorial. I'll be running over the basics of Microsoft Word and how to properly format your manuscripts for WritersNL. First, open Microsoft Word. You can find the application on your desktop screen or you can search for it in the toolbar. This is the main menu. Here you can see many things like templates that Word has to offer. On the left bar, you will see the Home menu, the New menu, and the Open menu. Clicking New creates a blank document. The first thing you do when creating a new document is saving right away. You don't want to lose your work. You can either choose to autosave in the top left corner and connect it to your OneDrive account, or you can save manually to your computer by clicking the file, click Save As, and choose where to save it to. It is always a good practice to keep your folders on your computer to make finding your documents easy. Double-click a folder, name your document, and then click Save. Microsoft Word has many options and formatting, but today I will just show you the very basics. First, let me get you familiar with the program. This whole area is called a ribbon, and it is made of three main parts. Tabs, which are your main headings, such as Home, Insert, Design, and Layout. Each tab contains groups, like Fonts and Paragraph, which are where you'll find your commands. In each group, you will find each particular command, like bold, italics, and underlining. Manuscripts for WritersNL require regular or normal margins. The margin is an empty space between a document's contents and the edge of the page. The normal margin for a word is 1 inch on each side. To check or change the margins, click the Layout tab. Here you will find the Page Setup group. The first command on the group is Margins. You will click that. A drop-down list of different margins will pop up. Here is the normal margin. You can also scroll to the bottom and click Custom Margins. Next is spacing. Spacing is the distance between each line in a document. For the manuscript, we will need double spacing. This can also be found in the Layout tab, in the next group, Paragraph. I'm going to click this button here to open the Paragraph dialog box. Spacing options is found here. Go to Line Spacing and then click the drop list. Select Double and then click OK. Lastly is font size. We need to change our fonts to 12 points. Click the Home tab and go to the Fonts group. This group deals with everything to do with fonts, sizes, and styles. To change the size of your font, you can click the arrow on the number box and select your size. In this case, we need to choose size 12. Or you can click the large A symbol to increase the size. The small a will decrease the size. Another helpful tip is the Undo and Retype button. These buttons can be found at the top of Word, right here. Just click the left arrow if you want to undo a mistake. The right arrow will retype. Save your document and then close Word. What if you want to edit a document that you already have created? First, open Word. Find the file that you want to edit. The easiest way to edit an existing document is to highlight your text. To do this, you left-click and hold. Then you can drag your mouse over the text. The selected text will be highlighted a light gray. Here you can change the font size and the spacing like so. You do not need to highlight the text to change the margins. I hope this tutorial has helped you create or format your document. Thank you for watching.